What's the word, buddy? Let me find a good spot for you guys. Best y'all get. The spot I had earlier was dark. The mic should sound better. We should look a little more alive. Tube, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, man, very simple. We have nothing going on for real, but I'm gonna give you guys a little weekend vlog, a little weekend in my life type shit, because a lot of you guys always be like, bro, are you ever home every single weekend? You're out doing some shit. Yeah, because I hate being home. There's nothing to do at home. So every single weekend I try to find something to do that's not in Killeen, that I'm not doing some shit at home. So I don't have nothing planned this weekend. This weekend, I'm chilling at the crib. I got nothing planned all weekend long. I'll probably find some shit to do, you know, in the area. Maybe go to a little, I think we're gonna go to a little car meet. Right now, it is currently Friday. It is 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm supposed to be at work. Did I go to work? Fuck no, I ain't go to work. Cause look, I got my work computer. I got my work computer at home and there's nothing going on. I can literally see what's going on at work. And there's nothing going on, so I didn't go to work. It's probably gonna be the most boring vlog, but most realistic YouTube video you guys have ever seen me post. But it's about to be boring as fuck. Same thing we do every morning, protein shake shit. This time I'm getting a little fancy with it though. This time I'm getting a little fancy. Frozen bananas, grab whatever we grab. Frozen strawberries and bananas, my bad. This time, we only grab strawberries. Then we go creatine, stigma, creatine, monohydrate or something like that, unflavored creatine, the usual, nothing crazy. Full big ass scoop, I'm talking big ass scoop. However much the scooper can hold, and some. From there, oh shit. I forgot y'all was in the cabinet. We go mass gainer, full big scoop shit, oatmeal, shebang. We go great value, water, room temperature shit. Mix her up just a tad. Get it going before I put it in the yeah, there she is. That's my shake. Refreshing. Yo, I just woke up from a little 3-hour nap, I think it was. Something like that. I'm meal prepping right now. Got some chicken going. Not even chicken, I think it's ground beef. I don't fucking know. Got my rice cooker going. And I'm about to make some potatoes as well. I would show y'all what I'm cooking and seasoning, there's a fly in here. I just don't need y'all making fun of me, cause everybody cook differently. Everybody this, I don't need y'all making fun of me about shit. So I ain't showing y'all none of that. I was supposed to go to the gym, but I have a 5K in the morning, so I'm gonna rest today, and then I'll do a double tomorrow. I'll do my 5K, and then I'll go do a little back workout or some shit. But all I know is right now, I'm overly hungry. It looks like dog food because I mixed it up. But there's rice, potatoes, and like fucking cut up steak or whatever the fuck it is. And then I put yum yum sauce all over it. But this is it. I don't weigh my food. I don't do none of that shit like that. I don't count protein. I don't count calories. I just look at it. I throw it in the pan. I be like, yep. 2 scoops of this looks about fine, and I just go from there. I can't lie, sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it doesn't come out that good. That's why I throw like yum yum sauce, or I throw some shit on top of it. So like this one, I can't lie, I just woke up. I literally just woke up and I got to cooking. I forgot to put salt in the rice. Everything else kind of covers it up, so I'm good. This shit busting. Ciao, what's the word, what's the word? We're terrorizing the streets right now. We're about to go to the bike meet, car meet, whatever the hell we want to call it. Yeah, hopefully it's not too crazy on the mic. I know fucking once the wind starts going and it's breaking through the helmet, I'm going fast or whatever, it's kind of hard to hear. I think this might be a good addition to the YouTube though. Like I start doing shit like this, boom boom bow. I just gotta get a good placement for the mic so you guys can hear better, because right now it's in the red and I don't really like it being in the red. I know when I go to edit it, it's probably gonna be crazy loud, the wind's gonna be all in the shit, and you guys are gonna be able to hear a lot of shit that I don't want you guys to hear. The meet started at 9, it's currently 9:34, so not fashionably late. I think we're going at a decent time. If you want a motorcycle, I can't lie to you, man. It's the best investment ever. There's so much therapy that comes being on the bike. There's so much thrill and adrenaline. I'm an adrenaline junkie, dog. Like, I got fucking 70 jumps in the army. I'm an adrenaline junkie. I love this shit. But there's definitely a lot of shit that comes with being on a bike. 100% different than being in a car. Like, absolutely fucking different. There's so much shit that they teach you at the basic riders course. What? You want to connect? My shit's on. I think the mic can hear you too.
Really?
Yeah, let me see.
Oh my god, I'm coming!
Say something real quick.
Oh my god!
Yeah, they can hear you. Damn, what the fuck was I saying? Oh, they always say, once you're not scared of your bike anymore, it's time to sell that shit. And I can't lie, I'm a little comfortable on my bike. A little too comfortable sometimes. They say that's where shit happens, when you're a little bit too comfortable on the bike and you're not fucking comfortable when you're cocky. Not like comfortable, you're just comfortable being on the fucking bike. Sometimes I just be like, fuck it. I can't lie, gang, I gotta pee something nasty. You think they got a bathroom in that little ass gas station?
Fuck no. They might.
I'll be back. I gotta piss. I turned you guys around because we're pulling up to the bike meet. It looks stacked right now, no cap. It's more of like a car meet though, honestly. There'll be a lot more cars than they do bikes. Come on. I like that. I like that indeed. Where'd this motherfucker go? Oh. Damn, there's not really a lot of bikes today. Not a lot of bikes at all. Alright, so there's not a lot of bikes out here like there usually are. Like, this is it. It's all the bikes. There's not a lot of bikes out here. It mainly be cars. Like, all the way down there is just straight cars. I need to go with mi gente over there. Chad, this shit is tough. What the fuck? This shit's tough, nigga. What the? Oh, my finger's in the way. My bad. This shit tough. What the fuck? I don't need none of them problems. I want that shit so bad. Look at that little Corolla ass shit. Look little Corolla that is. Chat, I'm just closing out the day. It is currently 12:45 right now. I've been home for like 3 hours. The car meet was dead. There was no bikes out there, so we really didn't want to stay there anymore. I just been binge watching shit. So I just wanted to close out the day real quick. Gotta be up at 6:30 to get ready for the run and everything. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Love you guys. Chat, good morning. At the 5K, we got number 90. Got Jadarius with us. Jadarius running with us. Of course, Daviante is nowhere to be found. I'm kidding. He's on the way to North Carolina. Chat, what's your word? What's your word? Look. You see it? Yeah, you guys can see it. I'll put the timestamp somewhere up here, whatever we ran. You know, just a little 5K with the boys, man. Motivating the group, you feel me? Once we get everybody out here to do 5Ks, I'll be lit. Once I can get Daviante out the fucking bed, we'll be good. This is like number 6 for the wall, I think it is. Like number 6 for the wall. I got one to add to the wall. SG. Yeah. Sooner or later we'll add some different ones, like, you know, some 10K, maybe a little half marathon, something like that. Who knows? Maybe one day. For now, I'm cool with the 5Ks, you feel me? Going to the gym later, and then I have to go to the mall because I'm going to DR on, let me look at my board, Tuesday. I'm going to DR on Tuesday. I've been to DR when I was 2 years old, so I don't count it. I'm just gonna say it's gonna be my first time going to DR. My mom is currently there right now. I'm gonna be where my mom is from. Obviously, I was born in Boston. I wasn't born in DR, but this is where all my family's from. This is where my grandparents are from. This is where everybody, all the elderly ancestors of mine are from. So it's gonna be the first time I'm experiencing that. It's gonna be lit. But yeah, I gotta go to the mall, buy some shorts, because I definitely don't have like any like regular ass shorts. All I wear is long pants. Am I gonna buy a new fit? Fuck no. I'm a one fit wonder, and I'm sticking with my one fit. First things first, protein, shower, nap. Mando. Come on. Me and JD done spent all day together. It's the most I done spent with JD outside of the gym and at work in forever. Since deployment, I ain't spent this much time with JD in forever. But we got some shit. I'll show you guys when we get to the crib. Got some pants at PacSun, some other stuff. I'll show you guys when we get to the crib. Right now we at Champs. I'm trying to get some Air Force all whites. 7.5? Hell yeah. Yeah. Bet. Yes, I wear a 7.5. Watch out. There's a red ring going around it, around this, like a red square.
I see.
Yeah, I wear a 7.5. And what? What about it? And they still flop. Grown ass man, 27 years old.
Small ass feet.
Yeah, I'm gonna cop these. Yeah. So we got back from the mall. I've been overly lazy. Like, I don't know. This just, my body's been kind of like tired, but I haven't been like sleeping. My body's just been tired, you know? So I haven't even took the shit out from the mall yet. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. From the mall, I went to Little Caesars, got me some pizza, and then I went and I got me little 12 pack of OJ. I'm closing out today. See you guys tomorrow morning. If you guys are enjoying the YouTube video, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Chat, good morning. Good morning. It's actually not morning. It is 15:08. It is 3:08. Military time, my bad. I'm about to pack a little bit for DR. So I got my shit right here. About to show y'all, about to prop y'all up, about to pack a little bit for the vibes. I did get a haircut though, like I said. Come on, damn. My hair look overly flat right now. Oh, let me show y'all the fit I got first. Let me show y'all what I got at the mall first. So, all whites. You already know, all white G Fazos. Can never go wrong with the all whites. The ones that I got are boom. They not bad. But you can tell the difference. Like, you can definitely tell the difference. So, alright, boom. So pants, this is a new cop for me. This is definitely a new cop. Some jean shorts. It's like some forward type jean shorts. I saw them. I needed pants for DR, like short pants. All I ever wear is long pants, so fuck it. I went ahead, got these. I have a fit in mind, but I don't know. So these are obviously gonna come with me. Then y'all know me. All I wear is long pants. There's some track pants from H&M. Boom. These are most likely gonna come too. What else is in here? And then like some cotton shorts type, kind of like these. I was trying to buy more of these so I can just wear those. Because like I said, all I really wear is long pants. I really don't have shorts. Only thing I really have is like the gym shorts, which they've gotten a little too small on me since deployment. So this is obviously gonna come with me too. After this, I'm ending this video. So damn, how hot is it over there? Because y'all know me, I do like my long sleeve sweaters. 87 degrees? That's not bad. I can wear a sweater in 87 degrees. I feel like when you're packing, the only thing you cannot overpack is underwear and socks. That's the only thing that is acceptable to overpack. I think 10 underwears and 10 socks is, I think that's good. I think that's pretty good. I'm there for 7 days. That gives me 3 days of reserve underwears. I don't even know if I should really bring a sweater. I'm a sweater demon. I love wearing sweaters. But like, I'll bring one just in case, you know? Like, I don't know if that's me just like, but that's the thing. I'm going to DR. I'm going to an island. But if I need a sweater and I don't have one, I'm gonna be tight. Fuck it, I'm bringing one. I damn near got everything. All right, so I got my socks, cool. I got my shorts, cool. I don't have my shirts, that's what I'm missing. I have underwears, I have going out pants. I got my gym pants, my gym shorts. All I really need to pack is just my shirts, my shoes, and my hygiene stuff. I'm pretty much done. I'll pack the shirts tomorrow. I'll pack my camera stuff and all the shit like that tomorrow. But I gotta clean the kitchen up. And other than that, it's really gonna be a chill Sunday. I'm gonna edit this YouTube video and there's not really much else going on. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, man. Very basic, very not much going on. But I go out all the time. I'm never home because there's nothing to do at home. Like, it's me, myself, and I. There's nothing else to do. And I just hate being home. I much rather be out exploring, and I'm out of breath. I'd much rather be out exploring and then doing something more productive with my time and like my life, you know? Yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this YouTube video. If you guys did, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys with the next one. You guys already know what the next YouTube video is, man. We're going to be in DR. I love you guys. I'm out.